Brazil, the land of carnival, samba, football, and vibrant culture. But beyond the beaches and beats lie taboos that might shock the world and eccentric customs that break all norms. From sacred silences to eyebrow-raising rituals, today we reveal 10 mind-blowing taboos and bizarre truths from Brazil that left even the world stunned. This is Wizzle Dwizzle. Let's dive into the heart of Brazil, where culture meets controversy. In Brazil, being on time can actually be awkward. Being early to a party or dinner may be considered impolite or make the host uncomfortable. Brazilians follow Hora Brasileira, a relaxed cultural approach to time. Football is not just a sport, it's a religion in Brazil. Dissing Brazil's national team or mocking a local club can trigger serious arguments, or even threats. During the World Cup, expect emotions to run sky high. In some Brazilian regions, talking openly about death is considered taboo. Certain tribes in the Amazon perform silent mourning rituals and believe discussing death can attract bad spirits. You might think Brazil is relaxed about clothing, thanks to carnival or beaches like Ipanema, but nudity is not acceptable in regular settings. Even topless sunbathing is technically illegal on most public beaches. Candomblé is a deeply spiritual religion with African roots, but many outsiders call its rituals taboo, involving animal sacrifice, transpossession, and symbolic offerings. It's not for tourists to mock. It's a sacred practice protected by law. These colors are associated with mourning and death in Brazil. Giving someone purple flowers or black objects can be unintentionally offensive, especially at celebrations like birthdays or weddings. Brazilian politics is extremely polarized. Bringing up presidents or corruption scandals in public places or among strangers can spark serious tension. People may get emotional or aggressive, especially around elections. In Brazil, a closed fist in the palm gesture may signal secrecy or even mockery. It's used in jokes but may confuse or offend foreigners who interpret it differently. Body language is a huge cultural difference. In Brazil, it's not taboo to openly talk about getting plastic surgery. In fact, Brazil is one of the world's leaders in cosmetic procedures, and people proudly discuss their enhancements, a cultural opposite to many conservative nations. Brazil's prisons have been headlines globally for Bike for Freedom programs. Inmates can reduce their sentences by pedaling stationary bikes to generate electricity for local villages. It's innovative and completely unexpected. Brazil is a nation full of contrast, from vibrant joy to silent taboos, bold eccentricities to quiet traditions. Understanding these customs helps us appreciate how vast and beautiful cultural diversity can be. Respect goes a long way, especially when we seek to understand before judging. Like, share and subscribe to Wizzle Dwizzle for more culture, science, and mystery from around the world.